I have a big idea. Let's build a rainbow flower path in the garden. I can start digging spots right away.
And once they are planted, I'll water them every day. Flowers grow best with steady care.
But wait, what if the sunlight moves? Or we think of a cooler shape later? We might need to shift things around a bit.
But I'm ready to start now. We can't keep changing the plan or we'll never begin.
And if we change too much, the flowers might not grow right. I say we pick one way and stick to it.
But what if a better idea comes along? Shouldn't we be flexible?
Sounds like we have three amazing energies, but they're bumping into each other a little. See this? One flower started everything off, just like Blaze. One held steady roots, just like Clay. And one found the best sunlight by twisting a little, just like Breeze. Each of you shines in your own way. Cardinal energy gets things started, fixed energy keeps it going, and mutable energy helps it adapt. When you work together, you're like the seasons. All different, but all important.
So maybe I can dig just the first few spots and then check in with you both before doing more?
I'll make sure we stick to the plan, but I'll try not to get stuck if we need to change a little.
And I'll wait to suggest changes after we've tried something, so I don't make it confusing.
Teamwork makes the seasons work.
When we understand how our energy works and how others shine, we can grow something beautiful together. What kind of teammate are you? A starter, a steady helper, or a creative changer? What about you, little star?
There's a glow I carry near, even when it's hard to hear. It's soft and quiet, strong and true, and it helps me just be me, not you. The light in me will always shine, even when I take my time. It doesn't flicker, doesn't fade. It's who I am, not what I've made. Some days bright and full of cheer, some days cloudy thoughts appear. But deep inside it's clear to see there's always light inside of me. The light in me will always shine, even when I take my time. It doesn't flicker, doesn't fade. It's who I am, not what I've made.
It's craft time, little stars. Today, we're making a teamwork triangle. This triangle will remind us of the three energy roles: start, steady, and switch, and how you might shine in each one. You will need a sheet of sturdy paper, a pencil and ruler, crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and stickers and decorations. Feel free to pause the video while you gather your supplies, or if you need a little more time to complete a step. I'll be right here when you're ready. Draw a large triangle. At the top, write START for cardinal energy. One side says steady for fixed energy, and the other side says switch for mutable energy. Think of one way you shine in each corner and write it down. What do you love to do? Do you help get games started? Do you stick with things and finish them? Do you help others find new ways to do something? I wrote share ideas first under start. I stick with projects under steady, and I change plans when needed under switch. Decorate your triangle with drawings, colors, or sparkles. Use your favorite colors and add stars or symbols to make it shine. You can even put your name in the middle because you are the one who brings the energy to life. Here's mine. I can look at it and remember that however I show up, I'm helping the team shine. Let's say our shine line together. When we work together, everyone shines.
I've got the spark to get things done. I bring the ideas to start the fun. I lead the team with let's begin. We jump right in with great big grin.
I keep it going when things get tough. I'm strong and steady, I don't give up. I help us build and see things through. I stick with the team and follow too.
I see when things need something new. I change it up and help us move through. I bend and flow, I think real fast. I help make changes that really last. Steady switch, it's how we flow.
Together we help the seasons grow.
We shine alone, but we shine best when teamwork puts us to the test. Spring and summer, fall and snow. Each one helps the seasons go. Every team needs every part. A switch, a steady, and a start. Come on.
So bring your spark, your calm, your twist.
Come on.
With teamwork, nothing will be missed.
So bring your spark, your calm, your twist. With teamwork, nothing will be missed. Be the way just who can miss.